Have you ever wondered how it would be to become invisible? Imagine being able to sneak around undetected, observing the world around you without anyone noticing. This might sound like a superpower from a comic book, but in the animal kingdom, it's far from fiction. Invisibility, in a sense, is a remarkable strategy that many animals use to survive. For some, it's a way to hide from predators, becoming one with their surroundings to avoid becoming someone's meal. For others, it's an effective tool for hunting, allowing them to sneak up on their prey undetected. From the snow-white polar bear blending into icy landscapes to the leafy sea dragon camouflaging among the seaweed, nature is full of examples of this art of invisibility. These fascinating creatures illustrate just how ingenious and resourceful nature can be. Now let's dive deeper and explore some of these amazing creatures. Imagine being able to blend into your surroundings so perfectly that predators can't see you. Welcome to the extraordinary world of nature's masters of disguise, where survival hinges on the ability to become invisible. Let's delve into the fascinating lives of three such creatures: the cuttlefish, the leaf-tailed gecko, and the stick insect. First up, we have the cuttlefish, a marine animal that's a real wizard of the underwater world. This creature possesses a skin that's a canvas of changeable colors and patterns. It can mimic the colors and even textures of its environment in a blink of an eye, making it a grandmaster of camouflage. This trick, my friends, is not just for hiding from predators, but also for surprising unsuspecting prey. Next, let's meet the leaf-tailed gecko. Native to Madagascar, this gecko is a living testament to nature's creativity. When resting on a tree, it becomes virtually indistinguishable from the bark or leaves. It's not just the color, but the shape of these geckos that makes them so stealthy. Their flat bodies, leaf-shaped tails, and the ridges on their skin mimic the irregularities of tree bark perfectly. When a predator is near, it freezes, blending into the background like a ninja in the night. Finally, let's turn our attention to the stick insect. As the name suggests, these insects are the spitting image of twigs and branches. They are the epitome of stillness, spending their lives motionless, hanging from leaves and branches. Their elongated bodies and the way they sway gently, mimicking the movement of leaves in the wind, make them virtually invisible. Each of these creatures, in their unique ways, have mastered the art of invisibility. They've harnessed their environment and their bodies to become almost undetectable, proving that sometimes the best defense is simply to hide in plain sight. Isn't it astonishing how these creatures use their invisibility powers? You must be curious about how these animals become invisible, right? Well, it's all about the science of blending in. Let's break it down. Firstly, there's camouflage. This is where animals blend into their surroundings by matching the colors and patterns around them. Think of it like a chameleon changing its skin color to match a tree. Then there's mimicry, which is a bit different. With mimicry, animals don't just blend in, they actually pretend to be something else entirely. Imagine a stick insect looking exactly like a twig. It's not just hiding, it's pretending to be part of a tree. And finally, there's adaptive coloration. This is where an animal can change its colors and patterns based on its mood, the season, or even the time of day. Picture a squid changing its colors to match the ocean floor. But how do these techniques work? It's all down to special cells in the animal's skin called chromatophores. These cells contain pigments that can change color. By controlling these cells, animals can change their skin color and pattern in an instant. So when you see a cuttlefish changing colors or a grasshopper blending into the grass, remember, it's not magic, it's science. These creatures have adapted and evolved to become masters of disguise, using their bodies to blend into the world around them. So that's how these animals play hide and seek with the world. Nature is indeed full of wonders, isn't it? Our planet is a magnificent tapestry woven with countless threads of life. Each creature, visible or invisible, plays a vital role in this grand spectacle of life. They remind us of the sheer diversity and beauty that nature holds. This beauty, however, is fragile and needs our respect and protection. So let's stand together to protect our natural world and its diverse inhabitants. Remember, every creature has its own magic. Let's cherish and protect them.